Hello everyone. Welcome to the Developing Effective K-12 Curriculum for Academic Publications course. I am Anuradha Gopu, your course facilitator, and in this video, I will be walking you through the different components of this course. Before we dive into the course itself, let us first look at whom and how this course could benefit. Today, many K-12 academic publications are working towards providing comprehensive packages of curriculum materials to schools and students. These packages include a meticulously planned curriculum with curriculum materials such as textbooks, workbooks, lesson plans, and assessment materials. For the creation of curriculum materials that are published in these books, academic publications usually employ former K-12 teachers. Such newly employed curriculum developers, also known as authors, though are excellent teachers, often struggle with the creation of K-12 content materials due to lack of curriculum development and publishing experience. This short course is an attempt to equip such new curriculum developers with the basic knowledge of different curriculum materials and their creation techniques. It is mainly aimed towards educating science, mathematics, and social science authors and does not cover curriculum development for languages. You may find this course beneficial if you are a new science, social science, or mathematics K-12 curriculum developer at an academic publication, and majority of your job responsibilities involve creation of content, lesson plans, worksheets, and assessments for your grade level and subject of expertise. This is a fully online course and will be covered in a span of 3 weeks. The primary objective of this course is to help participants create the basic curriculum components for any K-12 science, mathematics, or social science topic. Since this is a 3-week course, its contents are split into 3 modules such that one module is covered each week. Every week, you will go through lessons, quizzes, and activities of different kinds, some of which you will engage in alone and some of which you will engage in along with your peers. Let us now take a look at how to get started with the course. As you probably already know, your username and password for entering the course website have been set by your training department and must have been communicated to you separately. Every time you log into the website, you will land on its home page. Scroll down the home page to find videos and manuals on how to move around the website and to learn about the website's academic honesty policy and honor code. In case you're still unclear on how to move around the website, please take a moment to view the video or go through the manual given on this page. You're already enrolled in this course. So, as you scroll down the home page, you will find a link to this course there, in addition to links to any other courses you may be a part of on this website. Click on this link to enter the course. This will take you to the course's main page. The main page of the course contains materials and links provided in the general section of the course and links to the course's weekly modules. Begin the course by first going through this video and then by accepting the course's academic honesty policy and honor code. For this, you must go into the academic honesty policy and honor code link and agree to the given policy and code. Save your choice and come back to the course's main page by clicking on its name on the page banner or in the menu. The general section of the course also contains important information and documents related to the course, such as the course overview, syllabus, schedule, grading policy and marks distribution information, and information about the course's final project or summative assessment task. Before you dive into the course's weekly modules, please take a moment to go through these pages. You may also download PDF versions of these documents. These are available through a link given on each of these pages, as well as in the Course Downloadable Files General folder given at the end of the course's General section. This area of the General section also contains downloadable files included in the weekly modules, should you need them. Each weekly module is split into a number of short lessons, each followed by a small task or quiz called an understanding check. After going through each lesson, attempt its corresponding understanding check to reflect on your understanding of the lesson. You may review each lesson and reattempt its understanding check as many times as you like. Please note that the content for the course has been spread out evenly amongst the 3 weeks and can be accessed in any order desired. However, it is recommended that the content be reviewed in the given order as it has been organized in this way to optimize participants' learning experience. In addition to lessons and understanding checks, each weekly module also contains an additional resources page and a general discussion forum. The additional resources page contains web links to some good articles and useful online tools that might further help you learn and work on the concepts discussed in the weekly modules. Explore these resources and use the weekly general discussion forums to post any queries, insights, or feedback that you may wish to share about the content covered that week. At the end of each week, you will be required to complete a graded quiz and a graded activity, and your score in each of these tasks will add to your final score in the course. Complete these tasks well in time to ensure timely completion of the course. At the end of your 3-week course, you will also be required to submit a final project. Please note that this project encompasses the largest percentage of your final course score. The details related to this project have already been posted to the course pages, and you can submit your project at any time during the course's 3 weeks. So, it will be a good idea to start planning ahead and creating your project well in advance. To successfully complete your course on time, complete all lessons, attempt all tasks, quizzes and activities, take part in all the discussions given, and complete the final project on time. Pay attention to the announcements forum and to the due dates shown on your website's calendar. And finally, be an active member of the course and try to help as well as learn from your peers. I wish you all the best of luck. See you in the course.